This is the Mitel 480 IP phone. This model is identical to the ShoreTel 480 but has been rebranded under Mitel. This model features an easy-to-read backlit display with an expanded directory that allows you to look up contacts by first or last name. This model requires a minimum software version of ShoreTel 14.2. The Mitel 480 provides the same features as the Mitel 480G, but with an integrated 10/100 Ethernet switch for more economical deployments. Included with this phone is the phone base, handset cord, and line cord. When purchasing from Atlas Phones, you will receive free shipping for orders of $500 or more, and only $9.95 shipping for all other orders. We also include our Atlas 1-year warranty with all phone purchases. You can check us out today at www.atlasphones.com.